All right, guys, Frank, 450 Sports. I am alive. So, Friday night, we have 3 breaks to do. 918 Series 1 retail to start off the bat. By the way, guys, we have a case break tomorrow. It's pretty rare, but tomorrow we're doing SPX 1415 case break, inner of 8 box. So don't miss it. All right, there we go. First box of the retail. Start with a young gun of Antoine Bibeau. Antoine Bibeau. We have a portrait of Nicholas Backstrom. We have a base pack. We have a portrait of Steven Stamkos. We have a base pack. We have a canvas of Victor Edmond, Tampa Bay Lightning. We have a young gun of Oscar Lindbergh, New York Rangers. We have a portrait of a legend, Chicago Blackhawks, Bobby Hull. Oops. We have a young gun of Jean-François Bérubé, New York Islanders. We have a Shining Stars blue of Jakub Voracek, Flyers. We have a base pack. We have a Shining Stars of Teemu Selanne. We have a canvas of Brendan Dubinsky. We have a young gun for the Pittsburgh Penguins of Daniel Sprong. We have a base pack. We have a young gun for the Flyers of Nick Cousins. We have a canvas for the Ottawa Senators, Clark McCarter. We have a Shining Stars for the Rangers, Rick Nash. We have a portrait for the Ottawa Senators, Marian Osa. We have a jersey for the Calgary Flames, Erie Udler. We have a Shining Stars for the New York Islanders, Johnny Tavares. We have a young gun for the Boston Bruins, Malcolm Subban. We have a canvas of Sidney Crosby. And we have a base pack. Let me see how many young guns we had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Usually Subban comes with Bennett, but not this time. All right, box number 2. Good luck. We have a portrait of Sidney Crosby, Pittsburgh Penguins. We have a Shining Stars blue of Ryan Nugent Hopkins. We have a Young Gun canvas for New York Rangers, Oscar Lindberg. We have a Young Gun of Jean-François Bérubé once again. Are we going to get the same Young Gun twice? I hope not. We have a canvas of Nazem Kadri for the Leafs. We have a portrait of Marian Osa, Chicago Blackhawks. We have a Shining Stars of Tyler Seguin. We have a portrait of Aaron Ekblad. We have a jersey for the Flyers, Steve Mason. We have a Shining Stars of Corey Perry. We have a Young Guns for the Colorado Avalanche, Mikko Rantanen. We have a canvas of Cam Ward. We have a Young Gun of Daniel Sprong. Second one. We have a base pack. Another base pack. Another base pack. Canvas of Kari Lehtonen. Another Young Gun of Nick Cousins. We have a portrait of Claude Giroux. We have a Young Gun for the Chicago Blackhawks, Artemi Panarin. I don't know if you guys saw, but he signed Upper Deck autographs. Today there was a post on our Facebook page and on Upper Deck Twitter. We have a base pack. We have a Shining Star of Patrice Bergeron. We have a canvas of Oliver Ekman-Larsson. And the last pack is another Young Gun of Malcolm Subban. So second Malcolm Subban in this break. All right, guys. So I'll be right back with contours in about 2 minutes.